Hello, today is Monday. It is the 19th day of November 2012, and welcome to today's video. Now, you've seen on the topic about the Mayan calendar. This video will not be about that. Later this week there will be. So if you have any questions, shoot them up in the comments section down below. I'll be making that video either Tuesday or sometime later this week. So let's take a look at gold and silver. Starting off within silver on the daily chart. So what new information do we see here? Well, it's breaking out of this 76.4 level at 32.95. It came up to this level in here later last week and retraced with a higher low, obviously now breaking to a higher high within this 18 average band. It's pretty much reduced the rate that it was doing before. It's now got a rate of ascent. So for this thing to be into a bull market, I really need to see this thing break at least up in this area here. And then as this average is coming back, come back into it and then break past resistance. Welcome back to that of the bull market. Okay, let's take a look at this on the weekly chart now. And as I've been stating, if you could find this higher low in here, nice little pattern. You might be able to call this maybe a cup and handle formation. Gold, of course, with a very similar chart pattern as well. And the next resistance target would be up at 38.92, or approximately around $39 per ounce. Move this on to gold. We'll look at gold on the daily time frame. We'll finish it off within the gold to silver ratio. Pretty much a very similar looking chart pattern. You have that little bit of that failed breakdown, and possible failed move can create a fast move in the opposite direction. Still unclear if that's going to be the case, although it's definitely favored to be the case. Let's look at this on the weekly chart now, as this will be the final one, and we will look at this later on with the Mayan calendar. We're going to take a look at this on the more longer term time frame, which is why I'm going to just talk today about the daily and the weekly for that of gold. So now you have to look at this cup and handle. You got this high, this low, matching high. If you make this higher low in here back in towards this level, such a very, very bullish pattern, what would be ideal? And there's many different things that are ideal, but a move up to this level, a pull back to where this resistance was, and then just to break it above at that point. That would be the most ideal things. Now, finally, we'll take a look at the gold to silver ratio. And I don't know how much of a surprise you can say it is that it found a resistance 4 periods ago on the 57-hour chart at, of course, this significant Fibonacci retracement level, which puts it into the neutral bias. As long as it's pretty much in this range, everything is neutral. If I could see clear breakout above this level, then that will be telling me more evidence that the gold to silver ratio is going to go higher. Most likely gold and silver will both go lower. And if I can see a clear breakdown below this level, something in this pattern here, then most likely silver is going to be shooting way higher, as gold will most likely also go higher, but nowhere near the rate of ascent, because normally when the gold to silver ratio goes lower, that means both gold and silver go higher, most of the time that is. And when this goes higher, they are both in descent rates, but of course silver with a higher rate of descent. So that'll be it for today, and thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.